Hi, I am Dr. Hayat and now I am going to discuss some signs and symptoms when you are protein deficient or when you are not getting enough protein. So the first one is swelling in feet, ankle and abdomen. So this is the edema of ankle, feet and abdomen, and this occurs when you are protein deficient, especially of albumin, because albumin maintain the balance of fluids between the blood and the body tissues. The second one is mood change. The mood is changing with the deficiency of protein because most of the neurotransmitter of our brains are made up of amino acids. And the neurotransmitter are the chemical substances that release information between the cells. For example, tryptophan is the precursor of serotonin, and the serotonin is a very best neurotransmitter because our body feel good due to serotonin. So the amino acid and proteins are important for the formation of serotonin and dopamine, which maintain our mood stable. The third one sign is that we have weak nails, weak hairs, and weak skin because cysteine is an amino acid and help in the formation of new cells and proteins like keratin in our nail and in our hairs, and also collagen fiber which form our skin structure. So proteins are very important for our skin, for our nails, and for our hair. The fourth sign is delay or slowing of wound healing. This is because most of the proteins and amino acids form new cells and especially collagen fibers. So if we are protein deficient, so our wound will take a longer time to heal, and also there will be a chance of increasing the infection. The fifth sign and symptom is that we have weak muscle and we will feel tired all the time because our muscles are mostly formed of proteins and my fibers are formed of protein. So when we have protein deficiency, there will be a decrease in the muscle strength and mass, and we will feel tired all the time. The sixth sign is that when you are protein deficient, you will feel hungry all the time because the proteins and amino acid are very important, and you will feel fuller throughout the day when you have sufficient proteins inside your body, because the proteins influencing our appetite hormones. For example, the leptin is a hormone due to which we feel fuller throughout the day. So the protein stimulates leptin hormone, which is the feel full hormone. And if there is a deficiency of proteins, we will feel hungry because there will be decreased level of ghrelin, and this is the hunger hormone. Seventh sign and symptom is that there will be a blood sugar craving and more sugar craving. The eighth signs is that there will be more sugar craving because you will take the diet which will have more carbohydrate and proteins, and there will be suddenly rise of glucose, blood glucose sugar, and then suddenly blood glucose sugar will fall down and you will feel hypoglycemia, and so the proteins are helping to control and regulate your blood sugar. The eighth sign and symptom of protein deficiency is that you will fall ill mostly, and frequently you will get ill because most of the immuno cells and antibodies are protein in nature and they will require amino acid for their synthesis. So when you have insufficient immuno cells and antibodies, and your body immune system will be unable to fight the different pathogens and diseases, you will fall and getting ill very easily. Thank you.